Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exit Rocket League on PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To exit Rocket League on PC is easy. First, let me open up Rocket League app over here. If you're logged into your Rocket League account and you'd like to log out or exit of it using your PC, then here's how you can easily exit of the game. While playing a game, press the escape button on your keyboard and click on the leave match button. You can also force close the game by using the shortcut key Alt F4. That is how you'll be able to exit of Rocket League using PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.